Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nia Goel. My subject is Knowledge and Curriculum. Topic for today is Role of Apex Bodies in Providing Curriculum and Pedagogic Support to Teachers Within Schools, SCRT. The State Council of Education Research and Training was set up in each state on the pattern of NCRT. In some of the states, SCRT is also known as State Institution of Education. It is an integral part of Directorate of Education and is the academic wing of the State Department of Education. It provides academic guidance to regional officers, district education officers, block education officers, and principals. It has a program advisory committee under the chairmanship of the state education ministers. SCRT are headed by directorates, and under them are the joint directors of different sections, which include physical education, audiovisual education, Institute of English, vocational guidance, examination unit, science division, curriculum development, teacher education, etc. The main objectives are to bring about qualitative improvement in the existing educational system, to develop the curriculum of various school subjects, provide pre service and in service education for teachers and educational supervisors, develop new techniques and methodologies, undertake and promote investigations, surveys, studies, and researches in various fields and sections of education, to formulate and implement pilot projects for bringing about quality improvement in different fields of school education, evaluate, monitor, and develop educational programs, provide career guidance and counseling, etc. To serve as a licensed body between NCRT and State Education Department, advise the State Education Department in the preparation and implementation of education plans, translate evaluation materials and publication of education literature, to improve examination techniques, internal assessment of pupils' attainments, and holding seminars, etc., improve curriculum and teaching methods, and to devise improvised teacher aids and innovate improvised teacher aids. Assist in the revision of improvement of textbooks and to evaluate and review textbooks. The functions are in-service training, extension activity, training, research, and publication. Role in providing curriculum and pedagogic support. SCRT arranges in-service training of teacher educators working in teacher training institutions for all the stages of education from preschool to secondary stage. It arranges in-service training and orientation of supervisory and inspecting officers dealing with preschool, elementary, secondary, and senior secondary education, provides extension service to teacher education training institutions at all levels, coordinates work of extension centers of teacher training institutions, organizes programs including correspondence come contact course for overall professional development of teachers, teacher educators, supervisory and inspecting officers, prescribes curricula for school and teacher training institutions at preschool and elementary school stage, prepares curricula, instructional material, and textbook for the use of educational institutions. It also functions as a controlling authority essentially in connection with the academic aspect of elementary teacher education. It conducts studies and investigations in various problems of education in general and in the training of teachers and teaching of curricula at levels of preschool, elementary, secondary, and senior secondary education. It undertakes such specified projects at different levels of education as to be entrusted to it by the government from time to time. Thank you.